to take the measurements that are required to order a new garage door. The most important measurements required are the brickwork to brickwork dimension and the floor to the underside of lintel dimension. Always come inside the garage to get the two most important measurements. So first we're going to measure for the width. So with the tape against the brickwork column that side, to the other brickwork column we have 2405 in millimetres. Now we need to take that measurement again at the top of the aperture. Again, 2405 millimetres. Now we know that the opening is nice and square. Right, next measurement is the height measurement. So we measure that from the floor, finished floor level, to the underside of the lintel. 2165 millimetres, and we'll measure this both sides as well. 2165. So now we know that the height of the actual opening is nice and square. Right, here we have a retractable garage door. Now, modern garage doors can now be fitted behind the brickwork. This will gain you a lot more drive-through width. So if you want to maximise your drive-through width, there's a couple of other measurements that are required. In this case, we need to see this measurement here and this measurement here to ensure that there's enough space to house the new frame. On this side we have 180 millimetres. That's from this corner to this side of the brickwork reveal. On this side we have 590 millimetres, which is plenty of room to house the new garage door frame. Something to consider when mounting your new door behind the brickwork to gain your extra drive-through width is that you will see some of your garage floor on the outside of your garage. So imagine mounting the new frame and door here. In this case you would see approximately 300 mm of your garage floor outside of your garage. Another important measurement is the headroom measurement. Now this is from the underside of the lintel to the underside of the ceiling. .800 millimetres in this case. Now that dimension is required for doors that need automating. In this case you can see that the automated boom is fixed in this headroom space. Something else to consider when ordering a new garage door is the amount of space that the runners and the operator boom may take up in your ceiling space. When choosing a style of garage door, it's important to look at the surroundings around the garage. Because many of the systems for retractable doors and sectional doors can interfere with shelving, cupboard units, wall-mounted boilers, gas meters, water meters, windows. So there are plenty of things to look out for when choosing a style of garage door.